everyone, today I was really inspired by the shirt and my nails that I'm wearing. It's a very fall color vibe, so I am going to do a video using the Anastasia Subculture palette. These colors really spoke to me today. We're going to use those to create this look. So to start off, I am going to prime using the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. Just gonna put that in my T-zone. Then to add a little hydration to the face, because in the wintertime, when it gets chillier, I get a little dry. So I'm going to use my Smashbox Primer Water, and this is the limited edition one with Nicole Concealio. And this is the flavor or scent, Serene Greens. It smells so fresh, I love it. Okay. For foundation today, I'm gonna mix still. I'm going to mix the Smashbox Studio Skin Foundation. Like always, I always use this one. And the Fenty Beauty Foundation. I'm gonna take a makeup wipe and wipe it off with my finger and my hand. I'm gonna take my trusty beauty blender and blend into the skin. Now I am going to take my KKW concealer in the shade 6. Put that under my eyes. And also on my forehead, because I have some pimples. And on the chin to balance it out. I always look so funny when I do this. I'm gonna take the Shape Tape shade Fair and just brighten it up a little bit. It's very light. And we have our base. Okay, to go with the concealer, I thought it was only suiting to use the KKW Bake, and this is the shade 2. Just gonna take my beauty blender, dip in. Next I'm going to bronze / contour, because I don't do 2 steps for that. I'm gonna take my Marc Jacobs Tantastic bronzer. Next, I am going to blush using my Physicians Formula Butter Blush in the shade Plum Rose. It's like a barely there kind of blush, which I love. But still keeps like a luminous glow, which I really enjoy. Next, I'm going to highlight using the Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. And that's all for the base. We're going to set that in place with the All Nighter setting spray. And next I'm going to do brows off of camera. Okay, I did my brows using the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil, and I'm going to set that with a Gimme Brow, my usual. Okay, now on to eyeballs. Out my stuff, taking my brushes, and this is what I'm going to be using, Subculture. I'm going to start with the shade Dawn right here. Next, I'm going to take the shade New Wave, which is this orangey color right here. Good. Next, I'm going to take a more precise brush that I can really get into the crease. Still like a blending brush though. I like to use this one because even though it's like a dome, it's skinny and flimsy, so it can really get in there without having to get everywhere. I'm going to go into Fudge right here. Go back into that fluffy brush again, and back into New Wave right here, and just blend out the edges close to the brow bone. This one looks a little nice. And back into that little thing. Okay, now we are going to place the lid shade. But before I do that, just make sure, just gonna get rid of the fallout. I don't even think there is any, but just in case. I'm gonna take a flat shader brush. This one's from ColourPop. I'm gonna dip into this shimmery shade right here. Okay. Say the eyes are done. Just to add like a different dimension, I'm gonna take like a little brush, flat shader like this. I mean, not flat. I don't even know what this is called. Flat definer, I think. And I'm just gonna go into Dawn, the shade that we started with right here. Just dip. I'm just gonna go under the lash line. Just to add a little something there. Okay, and now onto mascara. I'm going to take my Lancome Monsieur Big. I feel like I have to say it like that. Say everything looks good. Now I'm going to line my lips using the Naked 2 Urban Decay 24 Glide On pencil. And I'm going to top that using the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Knock on Wood. And this is the completed look.